Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my lovely kindergarten students. How are you after a long vacation? So, are you ready to join Teacher Kaniz's English class? So today, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn animals. So today, Teacher Kaniz will take you to the zoo to show you some wonderful, lovely creations of Allah, that is the different kinds of animals. And as you know, I am in my country, Bangladesh. So today, Teacher Kaniz is going to show you the zoo of Bangladesh. Are you ready, children? Are you ready to go with me to the zoo? Let's go! Children, can you see something behind me? I am already inside the zoo and I am in front of the habitat of the deers. I can show you so many animals from the zoo. So stay tuned with Teacher Kaniz to see some wonderful animals. Okay? Children, can you see the deers walking around? Can you see over there? The deers are actually drinking water. Okay. It's actually too far from here, so I just can't show you so clearly. I hope I can show you some more deers from here. Children, I am now in front of the habitat of deers. Look at the white spotted deers over here. See? So many under that shed. Wow, look at the habitat of the deer. Look at that. The brown deer with white spot. Can you see it? Can you see the white spotted deer? Look. Oh, mashallah, wonderful creation of Allah. See? Can you see, children? The deers are eating. Do you know what are the food that deers eat? Actually, they eat the leaves of the tree. Children, guess where am I now? I am in front of the cage of the monkeys. Over there, look. Look over there. Oh, what are this? What are the name of this animal? It's called monkey. Can you see? Can you see? So this is called rhesus macaw. Okay? Look, children, the monkey is eating. Maybe the monkey is eating guava. So many fresh fruits and vegetables in front of the monkey. Children, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? What is the name of this thing? Can you tell me what is the name of this thing? What is this? Wow, look. Oh, it's so huge. Oh, it's so huge. What is the name of this bird? Let us figure it out. It's called lesser adjutant. Laser adjutant. This is called laser adjutant. And this bird is really very big. Oh my goodness, look. It's so big. Okay. There are some more over there. There are some more over there. See? It's huge. You can see that the man is feeding the bird. The man is feeding the bird. And oh look, it's eating the fish. Children, guess what? These are called olive baboon. It's a kind of monkey, and these special monkeys are called baboon. What? Baboon. Olive baboons. Children, I can show you some crocodiles. Look at the crocodiles over there. Crocodiles. And one is in the water. Guess what is it? It's the tiger. Children, look, the tiger is eating their meal. Yes, tiger loves to eat fresh meat, the red meat. Yummy. These are called emu, the biggest bird in the whole world. The specialty of emu is they can't fly because they are heavy. Do you know emu can lay the biggest egg from all the birds? The egg is huge. Children, look, what is this? This is the largest animal in the jungle, and that is called elephant. This is called elephant. Elephant. And look at that elephant. This elephant is playing with the sand. How funny! Children, can I ask you what is this animal? Yes, you are right. This is the king of the jungle, and that is called lion. Roar. How does the lion say, children? Roar. This is lion. Lion. Children, this bird is called peacock. Peacock is the most beautiful bird in the whole world. Can you see the peacock? It's blue and rainbow in color, and they can dance so beautifully. Look at the rainbow peacock. Children, hope you enjoy the video where I have shown you some animals. So enjoy the video and I will tell you what will be the homework. Okay? So, bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.